Every time that I see your face, it always makes me smile.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Okay, so today I see everything more clear. I hardly wear my glasses, but okay, so I did mention I wanted to throw some reds and orange. So what I'm gonna do for this tutorial, I'm gonna do again 2 different colors of the eyeshadows, because this is gonna be I would say my last post for Thanksgiving. It's gonna be this one right here. Oh, I like the lighting. They finally get the lighting good. This one camouflages to the background because of the fact that it's this one's green, like lime green, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna dip it into this one. I'm gonna see now if it gets this color, because it's already like kind of like dark. So I'm gonna dip it into this color right here, just to kind of make it a little bit red, but it's not coming out. So let me see if maybe this one on top of it, well, yeah, it changes a little bit, so we're gonna use that one. I'm gonna go in with this palette. Oh wow, it looks cool. It camouflages. It's like a green palette. This one I got it by my sister-in-law, so she's amazing for getting me this beautiful palette. And look at the inside, it's very beautiful. So I don't know where she got it from, but if you guys have this palette, you can go ahead and use it, or you can just use any cream. For this case, I'm gonna use this one glaze right here. You can just use any white or any pearl. She got me a really good palette. Oh my gosh, look at that pigmentation, girl. She did a good job getting me this palette. Go in with e.l.f. this one right here, concealer to correct the center of my lid. And we want to make sure this crease is like, well, the lid is more high up, so that way when you look up like that, it's not going to be covering. So I'm going to bring it a little bit more higher. I'm going to get my pigment, my beautiful pigment primer from NYX. And this one, let's see, I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill. This pink one right here. It looks kind of like white, but you'll see once I apply it. I like that. I like that look. And then with the loose pigments or eyeshadows like those ones, I prefer for you guys to use a fluffy flat brush, because if you use a flat brush, let's say for instance something like this, it's not really gonna get them. So get this one so you can get more of the eyeshadow, and you can see how much it brought it out. I'm gonna use a very thin line for a glitter. I'm gonna wear this kind of like a copper glitter for it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a brush like this, precise brush, and for this I'm gonna get this one right here, NYX Lash. Makes it look like, it makes it stand out so much. If you don't want to show too much of your eyelashes, you're more than welcome to wear other lash that is kind of like less dramatic, but for me I want everything dramatic, and it's gonna be Thanksgiving and all that, you know. Say it on this one, the 35B for Morphe. I'm gonna wear this beautiful orange right here. Outer corner for my hair, I'm gonna dip it into this one. I use this one, so I'm gonna dip it into a little bit. It's like a redder orange. And if you guys have this palette, if you already got your BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 2, they have it at Target right now. It's limited stock, guys. I'm gonna dip it into this one right here. The second one is kind of like brownish white shimmery. These colors are super pigmented, guys, like super pigmented. I'm gonna go like a darker brown of the glitter. Okay, and for lips, I'm gonna go with Profusion, which is this highly super red, and it's Matte Passion. And then I'm gonna top it with my topper from Passion Topper, the same thing from Profusion, or you can just get any red. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I'm gonna put on some contacts so you can see the difference that it makes. It looks beautiful as it is, but I'm always, you know, with those green contacts and all that, so you can like stand out, like extremely stand out. And then I'm gonna be back and show you some few jewelry, so that way you guys can go ahead and buy it to the store and use it and stuff like that. So let's go put on my contacts. Okay, you guys, and there you guys have it. Now I'm gonna be using different selections. This one I got it from Jewelry Box, this one right here. So you can use this one. I'm not gonna tie them because I'm just gonna show you how they look. So you can use this, something like this, to go with the jewelry and make it stand out even more. Beautiful necklace. It stands out a lot as it is. So you can wear this necklace, or you can go with the third selection that I'm gonna have. I have a bunch of necklaces, but I thought I took out 3 of the best ones that'll be perfect for the look. So let me go with the other ones. This one I got it off from the Jewelry Box too, I believe. So no, I got it off from at the mall. I don't remember which store, but look at this beautiful, how much it glows. This one I have to tie it. Look how beautiful it stands out. You can go with the black beautiful dress or burgundy dress, and this is gonna stand out even more. I have some earrings with this one, but I'm not gonna really use them because they're like super big, and since my wig is like covering the look, so I think this is perfect as it is. So those are my 3 selections that you guys can wear for these necklaces. So now thank you guys so much for watching, and this will be my last tutorial. And then we have December coming in, so we're gonna have those beautiful blues, reds, greens, all those beautiful colors. Have a wonderful day, guys. Hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below of what you think of this look, guys. And once again, besitos, kisses, hugs and kisses to everybody. Have a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving, guys, and till you till next time. Bye.